We're here at IC with Ian Harris from IHD, which is a global consultancy company.
Yep.
How are you doing, Ian?
Yeah, good, thanks. Yeah.
How's IC been for you?
It's been really great. This has been the busiest show so far.
Yeah. Now, we'd like to focus on UC&C for this.
Okay.
Have you seen any products, any software, any solutions out there that have caught your eye?
Yeah, I have actually. It's actually a key thing that we've been looking at and looking for the best solution.
Yep.
You know, this is a key topic right now for us.
And as an AV consultant, what do you find are your biggest challenges when it comes to UC&C and delivering it to your clients?
Okay, so basically this is the contrast here between the Polycom and the Cisco codec, you know, which still remains a very secure means. So many of the investment bankers and so on will still, of course, use the formal codec system without entering the internet. So dark fibers, lease line, but secure connection for their facilities. But for the majority of people, the likes of course, Skype for Business, GoToMeeting, Zoom, and so on, is the everyday reality for communication. But it means that now there's more and more meetings wherein one party is, say, Skype-based, another party is, say Cisco-based, and yet they need to communicate together. It's not easy. You know, it just doesn't happen naturally. It's not like just taking a Polycom phone or a Cisco phone. You know, it's actually been very difficult to find a smooth, working, integrated solution.
That is true, and a lot of people have been looking for that, right? A smooth, working, integrated product that goes cross-platform for video conferencing.
Yes.
In your opinion, what does the AV community as a whole, manufacturers, consultants, integrators as a whole, what do they need to do to make this a reality?
Okay.
It's a wide-ranging question.
Well, it is, and of course there's a lot of products out there and which solve bits and pieces of the problem, and of course you can create like a AV switcher, a control system. You know, you can kind of build like a Frankenstein solution one way or another. Yeah, it's possible. But the problem is these are all prototype solutions. You know, when you actually go live, then you start to find what you didn't think of sitting at your desk or on the train or wherever you're doing the design or whatever, and you start to find the bugs, and they're not easy. This is not like some hum loop on an audio system, you know, or whatever. These are actually difficult problems when they arise.
Yep.
So instead of trying to put together all these alien brands and technologies, it needs a system that's been well thought out already.
So you're saying it needs to be fixed in the design phase before you even get to the deployment phase? Yeah,
and you know, ideally, our client is not going to be the guinea pig, subject to 6 months troubleshooting and desperate solving of the problem.
Yeah.
So it needs actually a product that's gone through this, has been actually deployed, and that's had all of these wrinkles ironed out. So.
And are you seeing a bit more cross-platform compatibility from UC providers, say Microsoft, Cisco, Polycom? Do you find that the products that are out in the market are beginning to work well together, or is it still very siloed?
I don't know, we find it's pretty siloed, really, in reality. You know, there tends to be, there's more, if you like, huddle room solutions now. There's starting to be quite nice huddle room.
Yep.
Yeah, where you can at least connect your laptop, you know, and the USB path. It's going to go through to the camera at the display, and maybe your phone on the table, or the microphone system. Kind of the USB solutions are starting to help. They don't help integrate the traditional codec-based solutions. So, but there are, we found. I know one system, for example, which is actually quite beautiful. Starleaf. Yep. Starleaf actually is a company formed of pioneers in the IP phone, the whole industry years and years ago, as it evolved and moved forwards. These people have come out and formed a company called Starleaf, and actually they have a very, very smooth, workable solution.
Sounds great. Thank you so much for your time, Ian. Hopefully we'll see you next IC as well.
Okay. Yes, thanks so much.